guardian of the entire area. Even from afar, the warning of danger is sensed. Bai will surely feel it right away. Darbai, the dog of defense, a strong trait as the protector of his territory. The moment someone crosses the white line, there's no escape. A tragic death awaits at the hands of Darbai. Meanwhile, there's Sot, the killer dog, the fastest, the most cunning, the executioner. The most dangerous dog among the three. Once Lolo Tasho gives the command, no one can escape it. A gruesome death awaits. One of Sud's habits is to give his victim a slow death to make them suffer. He makes them feel endless pain before finally killing them.
This is great. We have food for tonight.